Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to be discussing about how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 5 or MT5. So we do have MT5 and 4 available nowadays. So very first thing that I would like to mention over here is if you sign up using the link in the description below, you will be getting $15 as a sign up bonus. So that's something you should not be missing out on. Just give it a try. And if you are simply willing to opt your TradingView. So the thing is, currently it does not support TradingView. Is not available. You can see currently you can log in with your MT5 account in TradingView, but trading is not available. So you can connect it to it, but if you're willing to simply trade using that, it is not going to be working. So connecting is really simple. What you need to do is simply head over to your trade panel. You can see we have all of the brokers in here. You can find your MT5 and stuff like that over here as well, and simply incorporate with your trading view. So it is good for analysis and everything, but yeah, make sure to remember you cannot trade with that.